Collier ali andi hoiti.
Lalu mana wali yang? Ini apa? Yang boleh lagi umeran nama ni kan gini. Nah. Jadi orang ni, ada. Dia kayu lagi. Ini lepas dulu lagi.
Baik.
Mati ini juga, dia yang boleh. Kalau dia orang boleh, mati orang. Ada yang dari belakang ini. Ya, hola. Ada kapal orang ni orang. Ya, asal. Ini dia ayam teman. Muka. Ini mulia, ini apa? Sampai tidur.
அடிக்கப்பட பாய போட்டுக்கிட்டு இப்படி திரும்பினா உடல்ல விழுந்துடும்.
Orang yang mana di muhur na?
பாய போட்டுக்கிட்டு சூடு கோழிட்டதுனால வேர்க்கெல்லாம் எடுக்கணும். அந்த இடத்துல அப்படி விழுந்துடும். அதனால உடல்ல
Orang yang mana di? Ada apa tak boleh tuh? Dia ada, dia nama ada.
Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I'm Amana Hassan. Can I know if I'm audible enough? Maybe through chat, or you all can unmute yourself. Can you all hear me?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Can hear.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, girls and boys. So what I need here is I need a little enthusiasm. I need all of you to talk. All right. We should have a little. What do you say? We should have a little conversation here. We need everyone to talk. Can everyone say good evening? Or can you all hear me? At least say that you all can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear.
Okay, good. What about the others? Can everyone hear me? Rather than text, can we unmute ourselves with that? Ranisha, Razania, Hasni, can you all hear me? Hafsa, Zainat, Amina. Aren't I audible enough? Guys, can you all hear me? Is it like lagging? Is my voice not clear?
No, it's clear.
Clear, right?
Ma'am.
All right, very good. Okay, so let's start today's session. Just give me some more time. I'll share my screen. Mm. Okay, can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, visible, ma'am.
Visible, right? Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. So today we're going to talk about a different topic. How was your sessions? How was your previous sessions? What did you all do in them? How did it go? Guys, can you all hear me? Is it not audible enough? How did your previous sessions go? Was it good? What did you all
Good.
learn? What did you learn?
We improve our English.
Okay. All right. So today also we're going to learn about importance of English language. Okay. So give me a minute again. Okay. So importance of English language. So what do you all think? Why is English language important? Yes.
Communicate.
Mic is open for you. Sorry.
To communicate.
To communicate. Very good. What else? Why is English language important? I need everyone to answer here.
For the migration.
Migrate. Okay, good. What else? There are so many reasons. I need a lot of reasons from you. Sorry.
To get a good job.
Very good. To get a good job. Yes, excellent. What else? Does everyone understand English here? Is there some people who don't understand English? Because I can explain in Sinhala as well. I'm not that good at Tamil, but I can explain in Sinhala. English ගොඩක් තේරෙන්නේ නැති කවුරු ඉන්නවද මෙතන? Just English තේරෙන්නේ නැති කවුරු ඉන්නවද? Yes, you can text me. Can understand, right? You can understand English, no? So, okay. I can't see the chat when I screen share. So I prefer you all opening your mic on your mic and answering my questions. Okay. I have to. So please cooperate a bit because I can't do two things in this. Can you all see the screen? Oh, sorry. Can you see the screen again? Yes, right? Okay. Can I have more reasons, please? So I got migrating purpose, work purpose. What else?
It's an international language.
It's an international language. Very good. What else? Why do we need English? There are 41 students in this class. So I need everyone to reply here.
Educational opportunities.
Very good. Educational opportunities. Okay. So okay. So now I'll go to the next slide. So the first thing, increase job opportunities. Yes, someone told me that, right? So why do we need English for job opportunities? For what? Why is that? Because English is a global language of business. You know,
Okay.
yes, very good. A lot of businesses are happening in English. Okay, it's an international language now. So without English, we we can do a job, but we have less opportunities. Like, let's quickly recap how English can prove our career. All right, you will be able to communicate effectively with clients, or you can attend more workshops. You can receive a higher salary. There are more job opportunities for you. Okay, so the second one, improved communication. Why is that important? Why is English improving communication? Can I have an answer for that?
Thank you. Right. පදාදනට ඔපුට් කරන්න කියලා මට ෂුවර් නෑ. මම පොඩ මොලොවට කියලා ප්‍රශ්න වගේ ඇතුළේ කන්ටැක්ට් එකට කියන්න මම මේ සබ්මිට් කරා කියලා මෙසේජ් එක ආව ගමන් මම ඔයාලට ෆෝවර්ඩ් කරන්න. ඒතර ඔයා දන්නවා ඒවට එහෙන් චේට් කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා.
right.
Okay.
මේ ඉස්සර සලීම් ගහ ඉන්නවා අතන. මේ බලන්න එපා. ඉස්සර සලීම් ගහ බයික් එකේ ඉන්නවා. ඔව් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ ඉතින්. ඔයා පුතාව එක්කෙන් දෙවිලද? වෙන්දේ කමන්න. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ මේ මගේ වාහනේ කළුණා ඉලම් කියනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. එන කෝල් එක දෙන්න. Okay, thank you. Right, okay.
Someone's not mute. Guys, give me a moment. I'm checking. Okay, it's muted now. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me share the screen again. I'm so sorry. All right. So the next thing, enhanced travel experience. What is that? Enhancing travel experience. Guys, we are always in Sri Lanka, okay? So we are less communicating in other languages. We're always, with English, we're always talking Sinhala, Tamil, because I know mother tongue, Lankan language, Sinhala. Yes, we should know that. But while you go abroad, if you don't know English, you'll be lost. Or someone රට ගියාට පස්සේ or English language එක දැනන් හිටියේ නැත්නම් or තනි වෙනවා. ඔයාට කොහොමද communicate කරන්නේ? You will not know how to communicate with people. You will be lost. You will be confused on what to do. But if you know the language of English, you can have various travel experience. You can go around the world. You can find a lot of different opportunities. Then I can talk about when you know English, you can interact with locals and foreigners with different traditions, because we're always because some of them asked me to tell in Sinhala as well. So we're always into Sinhala. We're always into our traditions. We are not going out of the box. අපි හැමසම ගුල වෙලා ඉන්නේ අපේ traditions වලට, අපේ සිරිත් විරිත් වලට. But if we know the language of English, we are going around. We are with all the communities. We get a lot of experience. All right? The next thing, access to a wealth of information. Does anyone know this? What is this? Access to a wealth of information? Who knows regarding this? Anyone? Just an idea. What does this mean? Anyone knows? Anyone volunteers? If it's no, you can on your mic and say no as well. Amina, Atika, Sabana, Hafsa, anyone who wants to on the mic and say, what is this?
Can access to job opportunities.
Sorry?
Can access to job opportunities.
Yes, okay, but it's about wealth of information. What is that? It's about internet, it's about websites. Okay, so have you all seen a lot of website in other languages? What are the main language you all see in website?
English.
When it comes to English, definitely English. So if you don't know English, what's going to happen? Will you be able to access websites? Will you be able to access information?
No.
No, you have the less opportunity. It's
Translate,
not
ma'am.
right. Sorry? Yes. Can you repeat again? All right. So you will have less opportunities if you don't know English. Okay. So the next thing, improved educational opportunities. What does this mean? What improves educational opportunities? Guys, when it comes to, okay, so now we say we are learning, a lot of people are finding recognitions when it comes to universities. They're like, okay, I need UK recognition, I need Canada recognition, I need this country recognition. But a lot of people are not seeking for Sri Lanka recognition, they're seeking for abroad recognitions. Then do you think they will give recognitions from journal articles, books from other languages? What is the language they use?
English.
What is the language? English language. They don't use other languages. If you need a proper recognition, maybe a UK recognition, whatever country recognition, you have to have the English language knowledge. A lot of people now, okay, I'm not saying you have to learn in English medium, but a lot of people, a majority, are trying to take their kids out of the Sinhala medium and now trying to put them in English medium, because a lot of universities and academic journals, a lot of articles, a lot of books are published in English. A lot of researchers are happening in English. So if you don't know English, you're really, you're having this uncomfortable thing of learning education. You're going to stop at some point if you don't know English. Any university in Sri Lanka, I'm not talking about government, but most of the government universities also provide English. Any other university, any private university, have you seen them teaching in other languages? Have anyone seen them teaching in other languages? What is their main language? What is the main language in universities in Sri Lanka? Obviously English. So if you don't know English, will you be able to do the higher education? Anyone? No, definitely not. Okay, unless you're learning another language and you're trying to get a degree from another language, yes, you have the opportunity. But when it comes to psychology or business management or business administration or maybe caregiver, AMI, whatever, okay, whatever, you have to know the language English. All right, it is very essential for students. All right, so better entertainment. What does this mean? Better entertainment. When it comes to entertainment, and being the Sri Lankan community, yes, we don't need English films. Actually, we are into Sinhala teledramas, we are into Sinhala films, we're into Tamil films, and then we're into Bollywood, Hollywood, everything, right? So we're not into we're not boxed into English. But a lot of people now, have you all seen this K-drama? Have you all seen these dramas coming out in Netflix? Who hands up who is watching Netflix? Or just open your mics and be like, yes, I am watching. Who is into Netflix? Yes, Satika. Yusra, what's your name? Yusra Yasir, right? Hafsa, yes. So Yola, what's your name again? Yusra Yasir. Can you on your mic and report? What's your name? All right, it's okay. So, anyways, a lot of people are into this new thing called Netflix. So it is also, mainly it's focused on English language, not now only they're trying to build, they're putting a little Bollywood and Hollywood movies, but most of the things are English language. So when it comes to greater cultural understanding, what does that mean? Greater cultural understanding. As I told you all before, now you go to you go to another country, you go to migrate. Okay, so you are talking in Sinhala and that person is talking in English. Do you all have this understanding between both of you? Will you all have this understanding? Can I have answers, please? Will you all have an understanding between the two communities, between the two cultures? Will you all at least be able to learn something from that culture if you all don't know the language? Hasna? Atika? Hafsa? Will you all be able to learn? Yes, you can speak. Definitely not. Okay, you can't. That is not practical. So improved cognitive development. So that we'll leave aside. That could be happened in different ways as well. Increase confidence. So now imagine you go in front of a crowd. Okay, you go in front of a crowd. You're supposed to deliver a speech or you have to talk to someone. If you don't know the language which they're talking to, you will be lost again. Okay, now imagine you know the language. Okay, so now whenever someone comes and speak English with us, we're like, oh my god, she's posh. It's not posh. Okay, she's confident, she's trying to be, she's professional, she's trying to develop herself by speaking English. But we're like, oh my god, she's posh, she's giving her posh accent. It's not like that. You all also try to do accent, you all try to learn new words, you all try to, increase your vocabulary, so then your confidence will upgrade every day. All right. All right, okay, so we're going to the next topic: how to study nor improve the language English. How to study, improve language in English. Can I have feedbacks regarding this? Have any of y'all tried in learning English? How good are y'all at English? Have y'all ever done any test of English to know how good y'all are? Because I need replies for this. Everyone.
Yes, and still
Not-
learning.
Sorry?
Yes, and still learning.
You're still learning. How have you learned? How are you learning? What have you done to learn?
By watching movies, of course, and listening to songs, and especially by
Sorry, what?
reading books. By
Okay, reading
watching
books.
movies
Okay,
and reading books.
okay, very good. So you read books. What about others?
Yes,
What do you all do? Very good, Hasna. What does others do? Atika, Abdullah, Nazrina, Hafsa, please reply. Hasni, Ilma, Isha, Janushka, Hamza, Nuha, what do you all do to learn English? Nifla.
Reading books.
Okay, reading books. Good. Other than that, what do you all do?
Watching videos in English.
Very good. Watching this. What kind of movies do you watch? Is it movies or you watch series or what?
Like speeches and all.
Features. Very good.
Hearing
Ruxana.
songs in English.
Sorry?
Hearing songs in English.
You listen to songs in English. Very good. That's a very good thing. Okay. That is, I will come to that as well. What else?
Speaking in front of the mirror in English.
What do you do?
Speaking in front of the mirror in English.
Very good. That is something where you increase confidence. Very good.
I communicate with others to use my vocabulary.
What do you do? Can you
I
repeat?
communicate with others, so I can use my vocabulary.
Oh yes, vocabulary. Very good. That's a good thing. What else?
Watching movie in English.
Watching movies. Okay, very good. Anything else? Anything different you all do to learn English? Suja, Zina, Shafia, Samiha, Wanisa. What do you all do? Musab? Okay, let's go on. So, okay, so when the first thing, okay, imagine, okay, before that, everyone should text me from 1 to 10, okay, from 1 to 10, ikat dahayata. How do y'all feel about yourself knowing English? Y'all have to rate your own self and send me a text. Or I will ask you, y'all have to reply. Okay, I will keep on reading the names. Y'all have to unmute yourself and rate from 1 to 10 how much do y'all know English. Okay, is that fine? Can you all do that? Shall we start? Guys. Yes, okay. Amina, let's start with Amina.
8.
From 1? 8. Very good. Okay. Atika?
10.
10. 10 out of 10. Very
Yeah.
good. Okay, great. Abdullah Shiam?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Wow. Okay, excellent. Hasna?
8.5 out of 10. Still learning.
8.5. Why is that 0.5?
Because there's certain pronunciations I miss.
All right. Okay. So okay. I'll speak about that later. Fatima Nazrina? Fatima Nazrina? Okay. Hafsa Ajisar? I'm so sorry if I pronounce the name wrong. I hope it's correct. Hafsa Ajisar?
10%.
10 out of 10. Great. Okay, thank you. Hasni Asan? Hasni Asan? Okay. Ilma Razik?
6.
Sorry?
6, ma'am.
6. Okay, good. Isha? Isha? Okay. Janushka Maniwannan?
9.
9. Okay, great. Okay. Khanza Hamjat?
10 out of 7.
10 out of 7. Okay, nice. Fatima Nuha? Fatima Nuha? MN Fatima Nuha? Okay. MIF Fasmin? 10 out of 10? Okay, nice. Then we go to Mafla Sakaf. Sorry, Mafla Sakaf. No. Muhammad Hazrat Fatima Anwar. Muhammad Hazrat, yes.
8, ma'am.
8, okay. Musab. Musab, what about you? Nifla Pfizer. Nizha. Okay, we have another Nuha. No?
Another 8.
Another wait. Rahma. 8, okay. Rasida Rasvi.
8.
8. Razania Ilham.
7, ma'am.
7, okay. Ruksana Jafir. Sabana Asmi. Shafana.
7, ma'am.
7. Shafia Ilyas. Sahana. 7, okay. Shazna Mukset.
8.
Okay. Shazna Nawaz. Shahani Nawaz. Siha Ismail. Suja.
7, ma'am.
7. Zinat Imtiaz. Okay, great, kids, like really great, because most of you had the rate more than 6. Honestly, really proud of you. Okay, so y'all are confident about yourself. That's really good. Okay, so I'm really happy. Okay, so to improve, okay, just the percentage, like each percentage, maybe 1 2 3 you all missed, right? So to improve that little as well, what you all have to do is, like someone said, go in front of the mirror. Yes. Okay, so go in front of the mirror. Okay, speak to yourself, expose yourself every day. Go to the, like a lot of people say, I'm a bathroom dancer. Okay, they know to dance very well, but in front of people they're shy too. So what we have to do is practice in front of the mirror, practice alone, no one's going to laugh at you. Practice in the sense, just talk to yourself. When I'm small, what I remember is I was obsessed with this Hindi stuff, where I go in front of the mirror and I talk in Hindi, like this few these small words. I yet don't know Hindi, but what I do is I go in front of the mirror, I yet remember those stuff. I dressed like those Hindi people with these shawls and stuff, and I pretend. So what y'all can do is also go in front of the mirror, at least just take some of the words, take some vocabulary, just speak. Broken English is fine. That's not gonna make you all fail one day, okay? That's gonna improve yourself. Every day you'll go and talk to the mirror, one day you will improve. Okay, start speaking English as much as possible. Even the smallest word you can use it. You all don't have to use big words at once. Okay. If you're interested, you can get a personal tutor, or you can watch videos, or you can you can start watching series. As another one of y'all said, y'all are listening to songs. Lyrics are the great option of learning. Okay, rather than, reading is best, but rather than reading, lyrics. Why is that? You're doing something in interest. You're learning songs in interest. Okay. some of the people, they don't even know to speak English. Okay, they don't know a single word of English, but they know English songs like water. It's like water for them. Okay, what we can do is also learn songs, then we know where to use them. Then again, you can challenge yourself or not to be scared. You can learn phrases. Then what again, you can I have told you, I have told most of y'all before also, in case y'all don't know a word of English, what y'all have to do? So while y'all are reading a book, or while y'all are like passing someone was speaking, maybe a unfamiliar word, what do y'all do? Anyone? Hasna, you might know. What do you have to do?
Google the word.
Sorry?
I Google the word, search for the pronunciation and the meaning.
Yes, very good. So what you all have to do is quickly get your phone out, go through Google, and check for the meaning in your. You can get it in English as well, or you can get it in your own language. That is how you learn. All right. In case you don't know a word, you can't go and ask that person, right? Quickly grab your phone, type the word on, and then you can get the meaning. All right. Okay. Um. Okay. Before this, guys, there's a small activity I need you all to do. I need you all to answer these questions. I'll give you all 2 minutes. Okay. You can write it on a book or whatever. Just 2 minutes will be given for this activity. Can we try? So you all have to find the odd word in this. Since all of you are good in English, I think it will be very easy. Okay, can we all try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great. I'll just give you all 2 minutes. No, I'll just give you all 3 minutes. Okay, now it's 7:41, I suppose. So 7:45. I don't think that. Yeah, 7:45. I'll come back to you all. Okay, until then I'll be muted, I guess. I'll come back to you all, and I need all of you all to answer the questions at once. Is that okay? That's fine, right?
Yes, fine.
Okay, great.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay, great. Okay, so have everyone finished?
Last two options in the 13th question.
Sorry?
Last two options in the 13th one.
13th one, last options, can't you see? Give me a minute. Oh, sorry. So that is, oh, sorry, guys. Give me a minute. Okay. So the last option is bad and friendly. Okay, done. Enough time,
Yes.
no? I don't think you'll need the last minute as well. It's a waste of time, no? Okay, let's get started. The first one. I need answers together, please. Everyone should unmute yourself. First one.
Park.
Park. Very good. Next.
Church.
Yes.
Chairs. Okay, great. Okay.
Hospital.
Hospital. Okay, cool, good.
Friend.
Friend.
Friend. Okay.
March.
March. Okay, very good.
20.
20.
20. Okay. Why is it 20?
No, first.
Why first? Why first? What, 20 or first?
First.
Raise your hands. Who says 20?
I am Ranizam.
First.
Okay, first it is. Can everyone unmute themselves? We need everyone to be active here. Yes, cool. Everyone should reply. Very good. Okay. Yes. Is it first or 20?
First.
I think 20.
First. Very good. It's not 20 because first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. It goes in that way. But this is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes until 20, right? So the answer is first. Very good. Okay, next.
German.
Russia.
Russia.
German.
Russia.
Who thinks it's German? Who thinks it's Russia?
German. Because Germany should be there, no, but not German.
Very good. What is German? German is a language.
A person. People living in German.
Okay, the people who choose Russia, why is that? Why did you all choose Russia? Yes. Be free to talk because you all don't have to be shy. Why did you all choose Russia?
It's a country.
Okay.
It's an Asian
What
country.
about England and Scotland? Okay, fine. There is a confusion there. But then German is a language, right? German is not a country. It's when it comes to German, Germany. Is it?
Yeah. No.
Yes. Okay, let's scoot into the next one. Eighth one. What do you all think the answer is? February, November. Okay, Monday. Very good. The next one. Tree, fridge, table, bed.
Tree.
What do you all think? Tree or fridge?
Tree.
Tree.
Fridge.
Tree.
Okay, there's a confusion again. It's definitely fridge or tree.
Tree.
Okay, so it is tree because fridge, table, bed are furnitures, right? Is tree a furniture?
No.
Okay, I know there might be a confusion again because tree, table, bed are made by wood. Tree has this wood, but tree is not specifically wood, right? Yeah. Okay, so the answer is tree. Okay, next salad, carrot,
Salad.
tomato.
Salad.
Okay, very good, great. Okay, next second, third, 9, 12.
9.
There's a mistake with 12. It's 12. Yes, it's 9. Very good. Next, orange, cherry, potato, kiwi.
Potato.
How can it be kiwi?
Potato.
Potato, not kiwi. It's potato. Okay. All right. Next, good, nice, bad, friendly.
Bad.
Oh,
9.
no one said nice.
Potato.
Okay,
Bad.
it is bad. Okay, so I'll give a small explanation regarding this. Blue, pink, park, black. Black, pink, and blue are colors. Park is not a color. Apples, bananas, orange, chairs. Apples, bananas, orange are fruits. Chairs is not a fruit. Postman, doctor, hospital, secretary. Those are all post, but hospital is a place. Hungry, tired, happy, friend. Hungry, tired, happy are emotions, or you can say actions. Okay, most of it you can come under emotions, but friend is emotion? No. Friday, Sunday, March, Wednesday. Friday, Sunday, Wednesday are week. I mean, those are days of the week. But March is what? What is March?
It's a month.
Right. The next one, 7, first, 8. I explained those two. Eighth one, February, November, Monday, July. So these is the other way. These are months, and then Monday is a day. So definitely Monday. It's a weekday. Tree, fridge, that also explained. The final one, okay. Good, nice, bad, friendly. Good is something like friendly. Nice is also friendly. Friendly is also, I mean, nice. Okay. Bad is like the mean way. Good is like the good way. Nice is also like the good way. Okay. Hope you understood that. I hope no one got a confusion. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain the seventh one once again?
Seventh one. Okay. So German, Russia, England, Scotland. What did you choose? What did you choose?
I didn't choose anything, ma'am. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now, when it comes to German, German is a language. The country name is Germany.
Yeah.
Okay. Russia is a country. You know, when it comes to language, we say Russian language, not Russia language. England, we don't say England language. No. Scotland, we don't say Scotland language. So it is Germany. Okay, those are all countries. But German is a language. Did you understand?
Yeah, ma'am, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, so this is done. Is everything clear? Anyone is having any question in this? Any questions in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Alright. Shall we skip in the next one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this also the same way. Can we start doing this as well?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. I'll reduce the time. I'll just give you 3 minutes now. I think 5 minutes is too much. And the last one, I really can't find the word. Where are- Okay, you can see the word now, right?
Done.
Done.
Okay, great.
Done.
So everyone done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Can we have the answers now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the first, 14th one. Sister needs father.
Father.
Why is that? Why does it
And
comes for father?
Niece.
Sorry,
no.
why is it?
Father is male.
Why is it father? Why is it? Guys, explain.
There are two characters, male and female. So father
Oh.
is male.
Okay, very good. Who said that?
Shahana.
Sahana. All right, very good. Okay, so there are two genders. Okay, one is female and one is male. What is male? Male is boys. Female is girls. Okay, so sister is a female. Niece is a female. Aunt is a female. Okay. Father is a male. Very good. Does everyone agree for this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. The next one, grandfather, aunt, nephew, brother. It's just the other way. Aunt. Very good. Great. Windy, sunny, clock, freezing.
Clock.
Is it clock?
Yeah.
Why is it clock? Windy, sunny, freezing are weathers. Okay. Windy, sunny, freezing are weathers. Is clock a weather?
No.
No, definitely not, right? Okay, great. The next one, football, tennis, music, judo.
Music.
Music. Very good. Red, jump, red, jump, read, write.
Red.
Why is that?
Red is the color.
Is a color.
Three are activities.
Others are action verbs. Very good. My, she, your.
She.
Why is it she?
She, ma'am.
Why she?
Subject.
Just simple.
No.
It is subject.
Any other suggestions? My.
She's noun.
Sorry.
She's noun, miss.
What about? Okay. Does it come like this? My singular plural. Singular or plural? Quick, louder. Singular. Or in singular plural?
Plural.
She is singular or plural? Singular. Your is singular or plural? Singular or plural? Your.
Can't tell, miss.
Your, if it comes as your, it is for one person. If it comes as your, it is for a lot of people. When it comes to your, it is singular. Okay. When it comes to your, it is singular. Does everyone agree with me?
Yes, miss.
Yes. When it comes to your, it's singular. When it comes to y'all, okay, y'all, it is plural. So what is the odd one?
Our.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Does anyone have any objection for this?
No.
Anyone else? Does anyone have an objection for this? Does anyone think it's wrong? There is another way coming. Because there might be another way also. Because the way I see is different. The way y'all are saying is different. That's why I'm asking y'all. Does anyone think there's another way coming for this? Okay. So no objection. I'll go to the next one. Skirt, shirt, shoe, smart. 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 Okay, very good. It is smart. Why is that? Skirt, shirt, shoe, or what?
Dress. Ma'am, and smart is a character.
Two kind of thing. Smart is not a costume. All right. It's already there in us, is it? Smart is already there in us. We don't have to dress it, right? Yes. All right. Okay. The next one: car, dog, camel, horse. Car. Car, dog, camel, horse. What do you think?
Car.
Okay. So now, when it comes to this, there are two ways of us saying this. Okay. Tell me the two ways if you all are smart. No, I said you all are already very smart.
Car,
We are using to
horse,
travel.
Sorry, you can one person tell me at a time. Musa? Sahana, can one person tell me?
Car, camel, horse. These are can carry female and
Okay, so when it comes to this, okay, can Musa mute? Give me a minute, guys. Musa, can you mute? Nice. Okay, it's muted, right? Yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, so when it comes to this, there are two ways. Okay, one is car is a what? Car is a what?
Used to travel.
Then dog animals. Okay, that is one way. What is the other way?
The other way is dog, camel, horse are animals. Car is a vehicle.
Okay. Other one?
Other one is dog. When we choose a dog or the car, camel, horse are using traveling. Used to travel.
Very good. So there are two ways. So either one will be correct. Okay. We don't know what they're expecting, right? So either one is correct. All right. So it's the way they're seeing. Okay. All right. The next one. Arm, knee, finger, no.
No.
Okay, that's obvious. No. Okay. Taxi, bus, underground, stop.
Underground.
Taxi, bus, underground, stop.
Underground.
Okay, it's underground. Ice cream, cake, chips, biscuit.
Chips.
Ice cream.
Sorry?
Chips.
Ice cream.
No, it is chips. It is chips. Because ice cream, cake, biscuits are sweet. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's sweet. Who is that sweet voice? Where is that sweet voice coming from? There's a small one there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes? Did all of y'all hear a sweet voice coming from there as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so yes, ice cream, cake, chips, biscuit. So the sweet thing is, the odd thing is chips. Okay. Bed, kitchen, bathroom, hall.
Bed.
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 Not bathroom, it is bed, because kitchen is also a place, bathroom is also a place, hall is also an area. Okay, those are area. So bed is a odd one. Cartoon, comedy, musical, office. Cartoon, comedy, musical, office.
Office.
Office. Very good. Yes, it's office. Okay. Great. Before that, oh, sorry. Okay. Uh, before we go to the next activity, it's a very small activity. Okay. So I want this part to be a little interacting. Okay. I need everyone here to speak. All right. So please do that for me. All right. So now can I know, why is English language important? Why is English language important? Yes, Atika?
To communicate.
To communicate. Very good. Can I have more answers again, please?
Study abroad.
Communicate in the world.
Yes. Very good. For higher studies. What else?
The job opportunities.
Job opportunities. Very good. What else?
Understand other
To be a
cultures.
professional English teacher.
To be a professional English teacher. When it comes to English teaching, a lot of people, majority, when you go to, I don't want to mention, but there are places, there are schools, there are institutes where teachers say that they are English teachers but not knowing proper English. Have you all come across those people? They say, yes, we are English teachers, I'm teaching English, but they are not knowing the proper English syllabus. They are not knowing the proper grammar. Have you ever come across those people?
Yeah, miss.
Yes. Isn't that a very this thing for us? Isn't it a ungrateful thing for English language? It is. So what we okay? Is there any English teachers here? Are there any English teachers? No, right? All right. Okay. So guys, when you come to as I told you all, to get job opportunities, to improve communication, to enhance travel experience, to access the wealth of information, to improve educational opportunities, to get better entertainment, greater cultural understanding, to improve cognitive development, to improve, to increase confidence, to have a valuable life skill, to have a valuable life, to to open many doors, what do you say, uh, so to not be stuck inside a box, to go out of the box, to think out of the box, to be confident in front of a majority, to not feel uncomfortable. What is the main key of success? What is the main key of success? What do we need to get all of this?
A skill.
Sorry?
Skill. Experience.
To get all of this, the key of success is English language. All right. The key of success for all of this is English language. I'm not underestimating on other languages, but English language has become a global language. Okay, it has become a very important language in the world. The whole in like all the communities in like the entire world communicate with this language. And also this language has become the business of education, the education of business, I can say. Okay, this is also a language of travel and tourism. Okay, so in case you travel to another country, you will likely speak to them in English. Most of them will know English. You will not feel alone. You will not feel uncomfortable. You will not feel lost. Okay, because English is an international language, which international event like Olympics, all those international events are conducted in English language. And also the technology when it comes to websites, when it comes to journal articles, when it comes to books, when it comes to novels, when it comes to the world, most of them speak in English. Most of them communicate in English. Like now, look at the series. Okay, look at the series. Most of the series have something to do with English. Okay, have at least one course when it comes to like you go for interview, you don't know English, you'll be failed. Most of the companies. Have you all come across this situation? Have you all seen anyone getting failed because of English? Have you all
Yes,
seen
Miss, sadly.
job opportunities? Yes, of course. A lot of job opportunities, a lot of posters come up saying English is mandatory. Though they say it's mandatory, it is compulsory. They need English. If you all, oh, they now the new thing is English and IT. Most of the education, okay, most of the education institutes have made that an opportunity to give you all combined courses. Maybe like you all do English and IT. Have you all seen that poster?
Yes.
Yes, do English and IT both, not one. Most of the institutes. Why is that? Because IT and English has been the business. Not only in Sri Lanka, abroad, maybe any country, any foreign country. What is the main key of success? IT and English. You have to we say you have to migrate abroad. What are they asking for? IELTS. Have you all heard about that?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, obviously. They don't send you without IELTS. They require for IELTS. Why is that? Because English is a key of success. If you don't know IELTS, no jobs. You'll have to stay at home. Okay, so make sure you'll at least while you're at home, okay, you all don't have to go for classes, you all don't have to do anything. Just try to at least join a course and make your CVs. But the important thing is spoken. Okay, not getting certificates. Okay, honestly, certificate is important, but most probably you all need the practical knowledge. Okay, you all are supposed to learn to talk, then only you can communicate. Just because you go abroad, okay, and show your certificate, will that be helpful? I have done, you'll be like, I have done English course. Yes, I did that. Will that help you all? No. Certificates are helpful, but will that help you all 100%? No. You're talking English will help you all 100%. Okay, so while you're staying at home, just Amazon College provides Amazon campus provides English courses. Okay, just join something, join an English course, join a spoken English course, join a diploma or whatever, and improve your spoken, because that will never go waste. English language will never go waste. So even when you're free time, just take something, learn something in English. Okay, so yeah, when it comes to okay, okay, so now we'll forget about English language. What is a language? What is normally what is a language? Now just forget about the language and just forget about whatever I said in English. What is a language? It could be anything. English, Tamil, Hindi, Japanese, Malay, Urdu, anything. German, Korean, Chinese, anything. What is a language? Why do we need a language?
To communicate others, we use
Very
language.
good. That is the main source. Language is a primary source of communication. It is the method where people share their ideas with others, where people talk to others, where people see others. You know, there are thousands of languages in this world. All right, and but all the language doesn't get used, girls. Okay, all the language won't be spoken, all the language won't be written, all the language are not practical, but there are some languages that are spoken by millions of people. Millions of people speak some languages. Try to learn those languages. All right, English is one of the main language. Okay, so if you have any question about English or English courses or whatever, what you'll have to follow, please don't hesitate to contact Amazon campus, and you can speak to me as well. You can ask them my number. I'm Amana, so you can speak to them, and you can ask them details about the courses. You can ask them what is the outcome, and you can speak to Ilhamsa as well. Okay, and you can get details about why do we have to learn English. Now I told you why you all need English. So if you all need any details about the course or maybe any advice, you all are free to. Okay. So I hope you all understood why you all are, why do you all need English, and what is the key of success. Did all of you all understand? Do you all have any questions regarding it? Do you all have any questions regarding the English language? Any questions, Atika, Hasna, Hafsa, Hikma, Ilma, Razi, Isha?
No,
Any
ma'am.
question? Okay, is everything
No,
clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go to a bit of I don't know if we have enough time, but let's go to a little of informal greetings. Let's get to know about other communities as well. Okay, so what do we use? Why do we use hi? Normally when we meet someone, we're like, hi, good morning.
Greetings to greet a person.
Yes, to greet a person.
Greet
So
some.
it's an informal greeting. So now we're going to talk about a little of, we just take a little time for this, maybe like 5 minutes is fine. Okay, we'll try to do it fast. We're talking a little about informal greetings. Okay, we say hi, we say hey, morning, like instead of good morning, we're like morning. How are things up to? What are you doing? What's new? Hello. Okay, we have these different ways where now, it's good to, like, without saying hi, we're like, it's good to see you. And in Australia, instead of saying good day, they're like G day. Okay, and then for WhatsApp, we're like sup, how is everything? And then instead of saying how is everything, they say howdy, yo. You know, these are all informal ways of saying, greeting someone. What are the words you all use? Do you all have any other unique words that you all use? Just share me some other words that you all use with your friends or your family. What do you all use? Nuha, Fasmin? Any other words that you all use with your family and friends other than hey, how are you, sup? Anything else? Or these are the only words you all use?
Hola?
Hello, yes, hello, very good. Something
No,
very important.
hola.
Ah, yes, hella. Yes, very good, hella. Hello, hello. All right. So these are some of the informal greetings. But when it comes to formal greetings, it's totally different. So I don't have time to carry on with some of the formal greetings. So we just stop with informal. Okay. So until that, this is like a fast track thing. Any of you all can fill this up? I'll just give you 2 minutes. I'll give you 3 minutes. It's very easy. Just give me a minute. I'm going to stop sharing the screen for some time. Guys, I'm extremely sorry. I told you all before as well. I have received so much chats from you all. I was just going through that. I'm extremely sorry I couldn't read that at that time because I was sharing the screen and my phone's also dead, so I couldn't cooperate properly. I'm so sorry. I'm extremely sorry. I hope you all understood everything. Just drop a text and tell me if you all understood anything or you all were, confused with stuff or anything like that. How was the session? Did you all understand? I'm so sorry I couldn't check the chat box. I was just going through all the chats now. For now, there was only answers. Yeah. All right. I'm sorry. I have to share the screen now. Just give me a minute. Okay. So check if you all are done. You can hear me, right? Can someone reply? Because I have to just can hear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can we have a answers, please? What's the first one? Palm.
Ma'am, because it is green.
Pumpkin. Okay. Second one?
Because it is green, ma'am.
Mushroom.
Available.
Second one is
Mushroom.
mushroom. Very good. Third one?
Rain.
Rain. Great. Next?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Next?
Corn.
Corn. Very good. Great. Final one.
A cone.
Anchor. Anchor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it the anchor milk?
No.
Right? No. All right. Okay. Great. So yes, we are done with today's session. Hope you all got the idea about. Okay, I'll stop sharing. All right. So hope you all got the idea of how important English is, and how it's a global language, and yeah, how to improve your English skills, and yeah, and then we did a small activity. So I hope it was interesting, and I hope you all gained something to your head, and I hope most of you join for English sessions. At least doing a course will help you all better. Okay. Yeah, guys, let me know your ideas as well. What do you all think about English language? And yeah, you have sent me the answers. Great. Okay, just let me know about what you all think about English language. We just have few minutes left. Oh no, it's over. It's okay. What do you all think about English language? Guys, reply. Do you all feel like learning more English, or do you all feel like, oh, English, I don't want English? What do you all feel? I need everyone to reply now. At least on your mics, at least now, the end of the session, last minute. On your mics, or just send me a text. It will be great if you all could send me a text.